Magnavox VCR DVD combo. My problem was you put the tape in, sometimes it would feed, sometimes it wouldn't, sometimes it would eat it, but usually it always after that powered down. I've seen people say clean the laser, I did that, clean the drum or whatever it's called. I didn't, and it's already like spotless. Unit doesn't have much use. Check the rollers, clean the rollers, make sure the belt's on, it is. The other thing was clean the multi-function switch or mode switch. Seems like a couple of people call it different things. I don't know the official word. So we're gonna pop the front off this and I'll show you what I did without disassembling the whole thing. This one's easy. Pop the tabs. Be careful when you pull the front off in case there's wires or the buttons are actually real. These are not, and you'll see in a second. Okay, just flex the tabs. There's the little primitive fiber optics that go for the LEDs, and then the buttons, they just kind of push down on those buttons. So now let's take a look at our suspect item. So if you're like me, you read lots of videos, disassemble this whole thing, one screw, sheet metal screw, one screws, or whatever screw, take it all apart, clean this thing, right? So if you look, it's that black disc right there. On mine it looks a little bit wet because I just sprayed it with contact cleaner. My contact cleaner of choice is Deoxit. This stuff is amazing. It's the best thing. You got low, medium, high on the nozzle for spray. I'm not going to spray the whole board. It's not going to hurt anything, but it's not going to go where we want it to go. So grabbed a straw off another can. Of course it wouldn't fit, so I just had to hold it in there. And then shoot it in there. I did the eject cycle numerous times, play, fast forward, rewind. I don't know how often it moves, but I just did a whole bunch of times hoping the deoxit got in there. And when that little disc turns, it cleans itself. And so now, before it would throw this thing out real quick. Sometimes it would do that, sometimes it would knot it up, wad it up, you know. So now let's go down here, play. There's play. So obviously let this sit. I mean, the deoxit is going to be in there and protect it from corroding, but eventually it's going to corrode again. So of course the proper way is to disassemble the whole thing, clean it, don't break anything, which of course on this old stuff's always fun. But you might try that, and that might get you by. Watch that last movie or whatever. If you're like me, you want to watch it one tape a year or something. So anyways, hope it helps.